Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This is going to be kind of like a vlog style video, but I'm going to be doing a closet clothing declutter. I am starting my decluttering, my spring cleaning kind of thing right now, but we are going to go through all of my clothes. So I have all of these here and some here, and then over there are Alex's clothes, and then I have this full thing full of clothes, and then I have a bin under the bed also full of clothes, and we're gonna go through and get rid of hopefully a lot of stuff. I did this a little bit ago, but not like in depth and stuff. I just pulled out things that I knew like I haven't worn in so long, and I already have like 2 bags full of clothes, and I'm gonna try and sell them all when the ones I get rid of. I'm holding on to a lot of clothes that fit when I was sick and was really skinny, and I don't think I'm ever going to be that weight again, because that was a very unhealthy weight for me. As much as I would love to be that weight again, I don't think it's going to happen. So we're going to get started. First things first, I'm going to bring everything and put it on the bed and go from there. So let's do that. Bed is full of my clothes. The closet is empty. It looks like we're moving again. We got some empty hangers. We have lots of empty hangers up here as well because we just bought those. But now it's time to go through and knock up things that I'm not going to keep for sure. And then I want to start putting away like winter clothes and taking out summer clothes. I have not touched this yet, and I have not taken out that bin yet because we were just going to start with whatever was hanging first. There is a bin in our bathroom that has clean clothes in it that we need to wash, or not wash, fold and put away. But if it's in there, I know I've worn it, and so I'm going to keep it obviously. So I'm not even going to look at that. But yeah. Alright, so the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to take the things I'm going to keep and just throw them in my closet. I'm not going to organize my closet or anything right now. I'm just strictly doing keeping, getting away, or maybes. And then from there we'll go in and do like the organization. I really like doing it by color. That's what I did last time, and then it kind of just got all over the place. But I think that's what I'm going to try to do again. But time for me to go through this. I'll be back when I've gone through what's on the bed. Okay, a little update. We got through like the first pile of clothes that was here. So far we have getting rid of, throwing out because they're like stained or ripped and stuff, and then this is stuff that I'm keeping, but I will again go through it again once I have like everything here. A couple more that are keeping, and then I'm going through this big pile next. So we're making progress. This is kind of relaxing and stuff, so this is fun. All right, I went through all the tops and stuff, so this is what we're with. This is all the keeping stuff. I will go through it again. This is all the giveaway or something stuff. And now we're gonna go through the pants that I had just sitting on, they were up here. So we're gonna go through those and see what we can get rid of. I'm getting rid of the ones that I know that don't fit, even though in my mind I'm like, oh, I'll fit into them again. I will get rid of them, because if I will fit into them again, I will buy new ones. So this is gonna be the hard part, because like some of them are like brand new and still have tags on them, so that'll be fun. Let's do that. All right, so I am in the middle of doing my pants, and I'm actually going to start going through my dresser, because my dresser has a lot of pants in it as well. But I'm going to show you how I have it set up right now. So these are just joggers right here. These are really comfortable. They fit. These are size 10 pants. They are a little bit too tight, so these are small. These are 12. These fit perfectly, but they are a little bit tight if I'm having a bad stomach day. But I will most likely be keeping all the 12s. I think the 10s are gonna have to go bye-bye, minus these ones here. These ones here I've had for years, and they're super stretchy, and they always fit. Like, they've fit since I've been a size 6, and up until now I'm like a size 12, 14. But we're gonna get rid of probably the rest of them, but we're gonna keep the 12s. I did recently just buy some 14s. You can see it still has the tags on it. But I recently bought this just because with how my stomach's been lately. I just needed something that was a little bit looser. So these are a little bit big, but they still fit. And then here I have leggings. These are all size larges, and these are the ones I wear the most. And then in the middle, that little pile there, those are leggings I don't normally wear, or they're mediums, and mediums are a little bit too tight. So that's what it is. But I have a whole drawer of pants as well. So I'm gonna continue laying them out into how I have them, and just see where we are from there. Cause like, I'll show you, this whole thing is filled with pants and stuff. So we are gonna go through that and probably get rid of quite a few pairs of pants, and we'll be back, and I'll show you before I like make decisions of how my piles are looking. All right, pants are done. The only thing left in here is one pair of leggings that I am keeping. I just didn't feel like taking out. But going through that drawer, I realized I have a ton of things with tags still on them. Like, I got this dress at the end of summer last year. It is from Boathouse. It's Rebel Rouge. I don't even know if it fits, but I was excited to buy it. And then I have like a whole bunch of American Eagle pants that still have like tags on them. Like, all of these still have tags on them. I have a Forever 21 pair in there. Like, there's pants in here I haven't even freaking worn, and that's really sad. So a lot of the ones that were in there were 10s, so I might hold on to a couple of the 10s just because some of them fit differently and some of them do still fit. But then we added a couple pairs of leggings in here, just some Victoria's Secret pink ones, some Garage ones, and then I do have a couple sweatpants as well. But now I need to go through and make a decision of what I'm keeping and what I'm throwing away. And that's the scary part, because I don't know. I knew this one would be hard, because like, I want to fit in to the smaller ones, but I know I'm not going to, or I am, but not for a very long time. So this is going to be a hard decision. Also, you guys are in my closet with me. It was the easiest place to put you. Yeah, let's go make some decisions. All right, so I cleared off the bed. Alex came home, so I gotta kind of make room now. But so far we have this entire bin full of clothes I'm getting rid of, which is exciting. The last thing I need to do is just go through the bin under the bed, and then I do have a couple drawers actually over there that I just remembered about. Just these two bottom drawers here. It just usually has like tank tops and like bathing suits in them, but I will go through that as well. And yeah, so let's get this bin out, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's mostly just my summer clothes. So as you can see, it's mostly summer clothes, like dresses and stuff. I got some shorts that still have tags on them, some whole bunch of clothes that has tags on them still. So I'm going to quickly go through this, and I'm actually going to start changing some of this stuff and putting winter clothes in here that I don't need. Like I'll start throwing like my Christmassy pants in, some sweaters that I'm not going to wear, and bring some of these guys out and see what I even want to keep. So let's take it all out. Alright, we got everything laid out. I have dresses here, shorts, rompers, and then this stuff is like from Pretty Little Thing. All still have tags on them. I'm getting rid of these 3 pairs of shorts for sure because I know they don't fit. I'm going to keep these 2 pairs. I'm not sure if this one still fits. I think it does. I got it last year. And then these ones still fit. Rompers, I'm definitely keeping these 2, the red and the black. Oh, this is actually also a dress. And I think I'm going to get rid of these 2 because I don't think they fit anymore. And then I have a feeling I'm going to get rid of most of these just because they're not really my thing anymore. I bought them for like clubbing and stuff right before COVID happened. And obviously that's not happening anymore, and I don't think most of them fit. I'm probably going to keep all the dresses because I'm pretty sure they all fit still as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna put these all away, and then I'm gonna put some winter clothes in here that I'm gonna start packing up, and we're gonna go from there. So we're moving some things around. We're gonna put Alex's stuff up here because I have dresses and stuff, and here is like a longer spot. So his stuff are just gonna go up there, make it a little bit easier. Nice booty. Okay, so you can see I have like all my dresses and like my rompers and stuff here. It's looking a lot better. Now we have that empty bin, and I'm going to start throwing in some things that I'm not really using. A lot of things are going to be like sweaters and stuff, but I don't have a lot of stuff left. Like I have a full bin full of clothes I'm getting rid of, and I do have some clothes and stuff coming in the next couple weeks because I did do some orders. But yeah, actually I'm going to go through those 2 drawers first. I'm just going to take everything out. So let's do that first, and then we'll go through what we're going to get put away. So like I said, most of it's like bathing suits and stuff. Like some of them even have tags on them still. I have some tank tops and stuff, a couple bodysuits. So I'm just going to organize this. Some random shirts. Yeah, so we're just gonna go through this, see what I want, see what I don't want, and yeah. Alright, so I went through these 2 drawers. This bottom one is just bathing suits, so tops and bottoms, and then up here is just like tank tops for like bed, and like just simple tank tops, and then I got shorts, and then in the very back I just have my 2 bodysuits back there. We have these tops here. These are gonna go and get hung up. I'm gonna get rid of these 2, and then I threw a bunch of things out. Now we're gonna fill up this bin with stuff I want to get rid of. Not get rid of, put away for like winter and stuff. Okay, so as you can see, bin is completely full, and I will just give you a little overview of what the closet's looking like because it's looking freaking empty now. So much space. I'm just gonna color code it and, you know, be like that. But I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little closet declutter. Make sure to keep watching for clothing hauls coming up because I do have some stuff coming. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.